Alright, finally. I have been waiting for a present I bought myself. It's finally arrived, so let's see. I bet you it's not even going to look anything interesting, but so as you can see, beachbuggyturbo.co.uk.
Beach buggy?
Beach buggy.
Beach?
You show them.
Oh, beach.
There, see? Beach buggy turbo. K280 hybrid with an uprated actuator. Now we're talking big business here, right? No, I can't really see what's in here. Hey. Some extra bolts and hardware. Don't know what that's for, but sure I'll figure it out. A new gasket. I think this is for the turbo to the manifold. That's interesting. And the main part of this. Let's see what all this hype about beach buggy turbos is all about. I have spoken to the guy over there, Dan, who I've been in contact with, and it's taken 4.5 weeks, I think, to get here from the time I ordered it. So, oh my God, my.
Oh, you're like a little
Bullet.
child that got all
Look
the
at that.
sweets. Hold on.
Can you see that? Beach buggy turbos. They make some proper stuff, and it's a brand. What I like with them, it's a brand new turbo. It's not a reconditioned unit. It's actually a brand new turbo that's been worked to hybrid specs.
So, babe. Babe.
Very nice, eh?
How much did it cost?
No, don't.
Uh-oh. I knew you'd ask that.
Don't. The price is in the pudding,
Yes.
right? As you can see, that's one of the most important parts of the car. Without that,
What, the price?
no, the turbo. So, anyway, we'll see how it goes once it's fitted and stuff. I just wanted to show you what a beach buggy turbo looks like, because everyone talks about them, but no one ever shows a picture of or a video of one brand new out the box straight from beach buggy turbo. So, there you go. Thanks for watching.